Yeah, so okay, so puck goes to the point, and like right now, you could just see like I'm just like following the play, which I like to rely on my instincts a lot. Like I'm not fully in my goalie position yet. I'm just reading it, seeing what's going to happen. Shot comes, and he actually, this is a great play by their forward. Somehow stops the puck before it even hits my pad, and makes a great play to his side. So I just went in my butterfly and reacted, made a good split save right there. And then now it's kind of just scramble mode at this point, right? Puck's right there. And at this point, I'm just trying to stay big. I'm on my ass. Usually I wouldn't like to be falling in that position. You want to stay as forward as possible. But in this position, I'm already, split, have to, just battle. So I'm down, basically down and out. Puck's there, battling. I'm just trying to, I felt the puck kind of going between my legs. So I'm just staying big. At this point, I really can't transition and go up to my butterfly. So I'm just hanging out there. I know the puck's underneath me, waiting for the ref to blow the whistle, praying for him to blow the whistle. Puck's still loose. Thankfully, the ref blows the whistle. He thinks it's underneath me, and we're good to go. But at that
What
point, like, yeah, if you want to rewind it a little bit, back, keep going, just to where he has it in front of the net, holding onto it. So right here, obviously staying big. So like, I'm not completely out of my crease. At the top of my crease, I'm in a good position though, square, good hand position as well. So if he decides to redirect that, it's going right into my gut, hopefully, unless it's a great tip going bar down. But the fact that he stopped this is a great, great play on his part. And then when he pulls it right here, I can immediately see him do that. I tried to get a stick on it, but even more so, if he lifts that puck up on my pad, my blocker's there, so I should have been able to stop it as well. But eye contact is crucial here. He could have pulled it either way. I would have loved to not, maybe do a full split, but I thought he could have pulled that all the way to his forehand. And then, yeah, like I said, after this first save, it's straight battle mode from there, just competing and trying to cover the puck.
So when you're in battle mode here, what do you think the most important part is? Is it to seal the ice down low, or is it to maintain high posture to try and make a save when the shot's going high?
Yeah, so I mean, I think that after that first save, when the puck's on the ice, I've always been told to like not move, like right here, right? Puck hits me again right here. He slams it against my pad, and I'm thinking it's in between my legs. So my legs are closed, right? But then he kind of like tricks me because I guess the puck's still loose. So I'm kind of at this point floundering all over the place. But then right here, you just see me looking around. I'm still like in the splits right here. Yeah, boom. And I'm got my glove up there. So in case the puck lifts, I feel like I'd be able to, grab it. But I guess it's just saying more composed, right? Because the more you move around, you don't know in situations like this. The puck could bounce, the puck could fly through your legs. So I've always been taught, if you feel the puck underneath yourself, just stay still and just don't move and use your head. Look around, try and track the puck with your head. And if the puck moves, then react to it. So that's kind of what I was doing.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy.